Hi everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and I've got a great success story for you today. The client ID is 6257. Now, Stella came to us with a court action on her credit file. Court actions are listed for 5 years, regardless of paying them or not. They are listed on our reports for 5 years unless they can be removed. Now, we do have our law firm, Credit Fix Lawyers. We don't hold any funds in trust. It's only at such point that we're successful that we charge a fee if we're successful in getting the court action removed. Anyway, we were successful for Stella, which was great news. And I called her afterwards and she did let me know that she's managed to settle her loan and she's moving into her property as we speak. So congratulations, Stella. Congrats to all our amazing clients out there. We wish you all the best with your wealth creation journey. If you're getting stuck with your credit report or credit score, please get in touch for your free assessment. Thanks for listening.